the best banana bread you can make. When it comes to cakes, or let's say in this case bread, many people shun away from even attempting to think that they are capable of baking. Today, I am about to give you a recipe for my favorite banana bread that is moist, sweet, and all in all as tasty as they come. This is a recipe that is hard labor intensive, and within 15 minutes, all the prep work will be done. For this, you will require the following: 3 large ripe bananas. You can use over-ripened bananas as they are highly recommended. 230 grams of plain flour. 200 grams of granulated sugar. 120 milliliters vegetable oil. 60 milliliters milk at room temperature. 2 large eggs. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. As stated earlier, this is a fairly easy and straightforward recipe that has no technical expertise required, but just dumping all the ingredients in a food processor or blender and blend till smooth. I would highly recommend starting with the wet ingredients first, then mix in the dry ingredients, which you can pre-mix to ensure all the ingredients are properly mixed. After they are properly blended, prepare a baking tin by applying some butter on the inner side of a 9-inch baking tin and dust it with flour. Make sure to remove excess flour before loading the batter. Place the tin in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes till a toothpick comes out clean and dry after poking the cake. Cool the cake completely and enjoy with a good hot cup of tea or coffee. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.